Just take a look at the picture up and down. The picture you see up and the one you see down. This is Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of Nigeria. This is somebody's father. Let us remove sentiment or religion or tribe out of this. Nobody would want his father or even his uncle or even his enemy to be on a daily basis being picked up from ground every day. This is public. This exactly happened in Turkey. You can imagine how many times this man they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu falls on a daily basis in his own house. I mean in Asorok or in Bodilon in Ikoyi, Lagos. This man is passing through stress. Okay, the family they may be happy that my father, our father, is the president of the country. He has fame, he has money. But don't forget that the rich also cry. I don't expect, even myself, I wouldn't expect myself to be picked up on this manner on a daily basis just because I'm vying for a position that I have tested already. You were once a governor of Lagos State. Now you are president of Nigeria. Second term is almost gone. And you are pursuing the second term with this type of medical record. I don't know how you people see it. You may see it as fame, or how do you want to see it? This man is suffering. This man is passing through stress. This man is tired. If this man has a woman who really loves him, who cares for him, who cares about his health, who cares about his living, who cares about, him getting to a certain age, I don't think you'll be supporting this man to be passing through this stress on a daily basis. Personally, my father died at the age of 100. I know what it means to be old and, even to walk around, even to take a walk as an elderly man. You know how difficult it is. And a lot of people are being killed and put into a position that they are not supposed. People are suppressed and oppressed for him to come for the second term, spending unnecessary money and doing all manner of rituals to get to that position. That right now you are in the same position, you hardly could walk on your own without 4 to 10 advisors and guards guiding you, protecting you from falling. What kind of life is this? As an elderly person, you should talk to yourself, tell yourself the truth. Enough is enough. What are you looking for? Money? Fame? What? If this man has a family that loves him, they should tell him something. Daddy, I think you have done your best. You have tried. Call it a quit. That's what I personally would do if my father were to be in that position. At this age, Tinubu is not less than 90 years, 90-something years. Tinubu is more than 95 years. Take it or you leave it. Forget about the makeup, the forgery, and all whatever thing you can think of. The man is old. This is exactly what is happening to President of Cameroon and other West African countries or African countries, messing themselves on a daily basis. They pee on a regular. Every 1 minute, they pee on their pants. And you still allow your father to come to struggle, to continue to seek for what he has already. This is just an advice. I don't mean any harm. I come in peace. But I feel this man they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the president of Cameroon, you can hardly count how many times they fall down in a month, which means that the body is weak, the body is gone, the soul is even weak. I can bet you Bola Ahmed Tinubu can hardly answer 2 calls. I mean, normal call, answering call, and being very prompt and attentive to that call. He hardly can do that. I leave you people here. I leave you here, but this is just my advice. If it is good for the family, they continue to see their father being picked up from the ground in different countries, France, Turkey, London, everywhere. He falls, even the ones that we don't see. Do you get the point? I'm out of here, but this is all I've got to tell you guys. You mustn't die because you want to come for second term. You mustn't fall down because you must get to this position. You have got almost everything, even through by omission or by commission. You must have gotten all what you need. Why don't you call it a quit and be a man? Man up. Man up. Even the children jumping up and down, trying to push their father to go and keep falling. This is a man that should sit down on a chair, take care of himself, eat what he wants to eat, and do little exercise. Not moving up and down from country to country, having meeting upon meeting. If he goes to meeting, he will sleep. He won't even know what they discuss in the meeting. I tell you. And you want him to go for second term. He fell down in Turkey the other day. He fell in France the other day. He is always falling in his house. This man is weak. The body is weak. And it is natural that the body is weak. It is not man's making. It is nobody's making. It is natural. Even me, when I get to that age, my body will be weak. Even you watching this video, the same thing will happen to all of us. When you get to a certain age in life, your body becomes weak. And that time, you need rest. You really need rest. I stop here.